All right, guys. So I'm seeing more and more of this, and I want to start talking about it because this is just in today's day and age with the resources available. This is just stupid. Looked up this load on DAT from a broker, FreightWorks Logistics, out of Rutherfordton, North Carolina. Now, if you look at this, they show a 97 credit rating, 16 days to pay, and what is that? 41 reviews, 4.75 stars. Man, if you were looking at this on face value, and you'd probably be thinking, "Oh, this is a broker I can do business with. This is really good. 97 credit rating. That is fantastic." Well, let me show you why this credit rating on DAT is not trustworthy. All right, so here we are. Let's flip over to the Credit Safe website. If you've not heard of them, check out the website, creditsafe.com. And also, there's links in the description below this video if you're interested in finding out more about it. It's very affordable, and it is a top-notch credit rating company. So FreightWorks Logistics, this is the company. Credit score, risk score they call it, of 17. Big difference between 97 and 17. In fact, they have them listed here with no credit and cash transactions only. That's not good. So let's scroll down here. We can see more about the company. Um, what we really want to see is how they are trending. So here we see days beyond terms of 96. That is not good. The highest possible score on here is 105. So that's a weighted average. We scroll down, we see 91% past due. Um, Industry days beyond terms comparison is trending in the wrong direction. Value paid late, $438,000. That's kind of a complicated number, so we'd want to investigate that further. But that throws a red flag for me. Value paid severely late, $145,000. That throws a flag for me. But here, look at this downward trend here under the paid category. Naturally green is good, red is bad. We show nothing but a downward trend right there. Outstanding, almost everything right now is 91 plus days past due. That is does not make me feel good. And then what I really want to show, well, here in January, that was a really bad month for those guys. Outstanding, almost everything here is 91 days plus past due. Almost everything. $57,000, more than $57,000, more than 91 days past due. DAT, do better. Get yourself a better credit rating agency. Hey, sign up with these guys, but DAT, you got to start doing better by your customers. And if not, we as customers need to go do our own credit checks so we don't get burnt and harmed. So everybody take care. Have a great day. We will see you next video.